Okay, check your work. When you're changing the base, you're dividing outside the log. So you've got a division. Log on the top over log on the bottom. The a goes on the top, the b goes on the bottom. Change it to any base you want. So here's your change of base formula, and note you can take it in both directions. That is, if you're looking at this, log to the base x of a divided by log to the base x of b, that's just log to the base b of a. It goes both ways. Log to the base 2 of 18. To what power do I raise 2 in order to get 18? Oh, 2 cubed is 8, 2 to the 4th, 16, 2 to the 5th, 32, somewhere between 4 and 5. Which one is it? Well, I'm going to change the base because I don't know. Change the base. It's a division. It's a log divided by a log. The 18 goes on the top, the 2 goes on the bottom. What's the base? If I didn't write it, it's 10. This guy's going to help you. Just plug it in. So we've got the log of 18, close the bracket, divided by the log of 2. Accurate to 2 decimal places, how about just 4.17? Could you do the next 2 questions, please? Okay, and check your work. Okay, we have 6 more properties for logs. These ones do not need to be memorized except for this one. The rest of them just come in handy. I'm not going to prove them. I think most of those proofs are fairly straightforward, and you should be able to do them for homework if you're curious. So this one is important because this one is an inverse law. So this is saying if I take b and I raise it to an exponent, what's the exponent? Log to the base b. Well, a log question and an exponential question are inverses of each other. So if I take b and raise it to the power of log to the base b of a, I get a. Why is that? Let's talk it through. Let's just simplify the exponent. So just in your head, think of this. To what power do I raise b in order to get a? Now raise b to that power. What are you going to get? A. So our inverse law, and this one here, log to the base b of a is equal to 1 over log to the base a of b. Log to the base b of a is the negative of log to the base 1 over b of a. Log to the base b of 1 over x is negative log to the base b of x. Can you see this one in one step, how you would prove it? 1 over x is x to the minus 1. Bring the exponent down in front. Log to the base a of x over log to the base a of y is log to a different base of x over log to a different base of y. Look at your change of base formula. How did you choose this? You could have chosen anything you wanted. And last of all, log to the base b of x equals log to the base b of y if and only if x equals y. We're going to be using this idea tomorrow when we solve equations. Okay, the rest of these, optional to know. The ones in highlight, must know. Okay, I'm going to give you a couple minutes to try simplifying this first example, and then we'll look at it together.